welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Gloria, and in today's video I want to show you a couple of ways you can style your hair. If you're a busy mom, you are always in the house taking care of things in the house, you don't have time to take care of yourself, talk less of going outside to make your hair. But you're a stylish mom, you still need to look put together whenever you're going out, especially when you're going to the hospital for immunization, for doctor's appointment, going to, you know, going to the market. You don't have to look homeless. You don't have to look untidy because you are a new mom. So today I'm going to be showing you a couple of ways you can style your hair. First one is cornrow. If you know how to make cornrow, or you have someone who can make very neat, clean cornrow for you, it's okay. If you're going out, you can rock your cornrow, okay? But if you're one of those people who don't know how to make cornrows, or your hair is too tough, or your hair is virgin hair, it's not long enough for you to make cornrows, or you just don't like cornrows, right? Another way you can style your hair is having a wig on. You can have a wig on, either bob, long, wavy, coily, whichever style of wigs you like. You should invest in good wigs so that whenever you're going out, there is no need to worry about your hair so much. You just throw in one or two on your head, brush it out, and you're fine. Okay? Choose a wig that suits your face. Choose a wig that suits your style and your face. So I would say, if you are yet to give birth, invest in these things because you will need it. You are going to need it. Okay? Another way you can style your hair to look neat and put together is investing in turbans. If you don't know what a turban is, this is a turban. This is a turban. So I'll just take this off just to show you what I mean. You can invest in turbans like this, just put it on like this. And instantly your look is elevated, right? Even though your hair is messy, is unkempt, like this, your hair looks tidy and clean. Your hair looks tidy and clean like this. Just put on a little bit of lip gloss and you look put together without even doing too much on your face. Another way you can also elevate your look is investing in scarves. It does not matter how your hair is. It does not matter if you're having a bad hair day. If you have a scarf that you can just throw on, your look will instantly be elevated, just like this. Let me take out the turban. Invest in stylish, scarves. Any day you're having bad hair day, just put your scarf on. Just put your scarf on and you will look elevated instantly. And if you have a pair of fashion sunglasses, any type of sunglasses, your medicated sunglasses, put your lip gloss on, whatever it is, you look put together even though your hair is undone. This one is my medicated glass, but I will show you this scarf with a fashion glass and show you how it will look. Now check out this look. I'm just wearing a basic t-shirt, right, and the scarf, and then these fashion glasses. You see how elevated the look is? I don't have to do too much. My look is already elevated, even if I'm wearing the most basic outfit. Just with these sunglasses, my look is elevated. But if I don't want to go with my sunglasses, I can as well go with my, medicated eyeglass, and I still look good anyway. Another way you can elevate your look is with headband wigs. These headband wigs have been saving my life since I got it. Okay, so I have been wanting to get these headband wigs for so long, but I just didn't know where to look. All of the ones I was seeing I didn't like, and recently I started shopping on Temu. This is not a paid ad, but I'm just, sharing with you guys. I started shopping on Temu of late, and I saw this headband wigs. I'm like, why not? Let me try it and see how it will look on me. I don't know. Let me just try it. Okay, so this was the first wig I got on Temu. The one I was wearing when I started this video is also on Temu. I've got like a couple of wigs from Temu, okay, but I would say this one is like the one I am enjoying so much. Even though it's a synthetic hair, okay, even though it's a synthetic hair, whenever I want to rock it, I just oil it a little bit just to make it shiny, and then I wear it. Let me show you. You see, when you wear this, who is going to know that your hair is undone? Nobody. Nobody. So if you don't have a lot of time in your hands, there are a couple of ways you can invest in making your hair look tidy, because it does not matter how expensive your outfit is looking, or how expensive your outfit is. If your hair is looking untidy, it just ruins the whole look. It just spoils the whole look. Okay, so investing in good headband, it does not even have to be expensive. It does not have to be expensive. Just look for pieces. I keep saying this. For you to look good, you don't need a lot of things. You don't need the most expensive things. Just look for little pieces that you like, that complement, your overall person. Okay, your vibe. Just look for things that complement you, and remember to buy pieces that you like. There are a couple of things I have gotten on Temu, and I am really enjoying them. In fact, I think I will do another video where I will show you a couple of my Temu finds. Right, a lot of people are saying, oh, don't buy from Temu, there this is that. I have gotten some pieces from Temu that is saving my life, and yeah, I will make another video showing you those things. So today I just thought to show you the things you can do to elevate your look with your hair, even though your hair is undone, even though you don't have the time to go to the salon. Even though you don't have the time to go to the salon, you can just put up any of these ones I have shown in this video, and you'll be good to go. In my next video, I will show you how to take care of your nails. As you can see, I have nail polish on, but it has started chipping. Okay, I will show you how easy and quick I make my nails at home without stepping out to go to the salon, and I look put together. I look good even without spending so much. Okay, that's it for this video. My name is Gloria. Remember to subscribe if you're not yet subscribed to me, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.